Hey guys, it's Allison. Today is going to be things to do at home when you're bored during quarantine. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying home, staying healthy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video, and let's get into the video. So the first thing on my list is make a YouTube channel or watch YouTube videos. Watch my YouTube videos, you know. Get caught up. Make a YouTube channel if you are feeling creative. This is the perfect time to create a YouTube channel. Everybody's on YouTube. Everybody has nothing to do. The second thing on my list is to FaceTime. FaceTime your friends, your other family members, just to keep updated and everything like that. So clean anything that needs to be cleaned. For me, I cleaned out already I cleaned my makeup area. I cleaned like the floor by my makeup area because it had like boxes next to it. I cleaned my closet. I cleaned my room. Like just clean anything you need to clean, like the bathroom, the floors, the kitchen, whatever you need to clean because you have time to do it. Your desk area where you're doing your homework, or like your workspace, anything like that is just really good to clean so you are in a fresh environment. Spend time with loved ones. Just do game nights, cook with your family, just hang out with them, talk to them, you know, just spend time with them. So next on my list is devotionals. So I just started a plan on my Bible app. So I'm starting journey number 1, where you learn how to read the Bible, I guess you could say. I usually go to church with my sister when I was back at school, like once every 2 weeks. Now since I'm home, I just usually have like Zoom meetings. We're in quarantine for a reason, and you know, God put us here for a reason, and we have time to read the Bible. So if you guys are not like spiritual or religious, I just recommend it. I was baptized Catholic. It's just interesting to read the Bible because you could see a lot of things that the Bible has said and has come into play now. So yeah, that's basically my spiel. Do homework. So right now we are still in school. I think we only got a couple weeks left when I post this. So do your homework, stay productive, stay on track of your stuff. I know it's hard. I know it's different from being home than in college or in school. But just stay productive, do your homework. Don't let anything tear you down. Like in my school right now, they have like a pass and fail type system. I think most schools have it, like in colleges. I don't know about high school or anything. I would not recommend it, just personally, because you would want your GPA to be higher and work harder for that, because pass and fail, GPA is not counted. So like your GPA won't go up or it won't go down. So if someone has a bad GPA already, that's not gonna be good for them. You know what I mean? So I feel like just do as much as you can and everything, and just hope for the best. A workout. I haven't done this one, but workout. I have this girl on YouTube where she does workouts, so I'm gonna link her channel down below. But I feel like hers is easy to follow. I think there's a lot of you know, workout YouTubers that you could check out, but I'm gonna link the one that I have in my subscription. I have on my list, go take a walk if you can, or if you have a backyard or porch, sit outside. I have not been outside. I've been in quarantine for like a month and like 5-6 days now. So like 35-36 days. Go outside if you can. I'm just lazy to go out. I really don't want to go out because like my mom is very precautious with everything. So she's like, oh, when you go outside, wear gloves, wear a mask. Like, and I don't want to go outside like that, you know? I don't know, but I'd rather just stay inside. I don't know, it just gets me nervous out there. Might as well just stay inside. but I wish I had a backyard or like a deck or a porch or something to sit outside in the sun. That would be very helpful right now. If you guys get a chance to do a bike ride, walk around your neighborhood if you can, just sit outside, just get some sun. So the next thing on my list is cook something or bake something. As you know, TikTok is blowing up, so whipped coffee was like a whole thing, and I think the real name to it is like Dalgona coffee. I tried that was really good. I have a video of me making it, which is my quarantine morning routine, so I'm gonna link that down below. And also I made cookies from scratch, so I'll link that video down below because I did a video on that one. Obviously I just made pizza, which is amazing. It looks like restaurant bought pizza. Like, I'm gonna show you the picture. Like, it's so nice. Like, guys, tell me no, like, this looks like a pizza from like a restaurant. Good. That's what I have been making so far, is make TikToks. I know TikTok can be addicting. I try not to be on it for so long because I like get really caught up with it. Just learn TikTok dances. I try not to be on social media that much because just have so much free time. That is not good for the soul. Binge watch Netflix or Hulu or Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, whatever you got. This is not like right now. I have not really watched a lot. I'm not very a binge watcher type because my attention span is like really short. If you need any recommendations, I can recommend The Vampire Diaries, and then the spin-off is The Originals, which I think The Originals is low-key so much better than The Vampire Diaries. And the spin-off to The Originals is Legacies, which I haven't finished watching that, but it's pretty decent. There's Anatomy, since it has like so many seasons, so many episodes. I'm still waiting for the one on TV to get on Netflix, but yeah, that's gonna take a while. What else? Right now, I started to watch like a couple days ago, Dynasty, and it has Liz Gillies from Victorious on it. It's really good. On Amazon Prime, there's so many shows that you can watch, to be honest. Right now, I am watching Suits. I always been meaning to watch Suits, so I'm watching that with my mom. It has Meghan Markle in it. On Disney Plus, you could be watching those old shows like The Proud Family, Hannah Montana, all that. Netflix, Victorious. Hulu, there's so much more. I don't have Hulu. I would finish Empire. Next on my list is to paint your nails. My nails have not been painted, but I'm telling you guys, like, since I've been home and since I have not done my nails in so long, my nails have gotten so healthy. Like, my nails were not good, not like they were weak, and now they're so much better. Like, I'm so glad. Do your makeup and dress cute. Dress up for your kitchen or your bedroom. Just put on your makeup, try new things with your makeup, new eye looks, and pick out some outfits of what you want to wear when you're out of quarantine. Just cute. You could be in a better mood and everything like that. And also, with that being said, you could take some photos, do a photo shoot at home. You can go outside if you have your outside space and go take pictures outside. But I got my walls at home. Listen to a podcast. So I don't have that many podcasts to recommend, but the first ever podcast that I listened to was this podcast called Crime Junkie. And if you guys are into mysteries and crime, and not like that, but like, you know what I mean, just you can listen to that. That's a very good podcast. That's the only podcast I have to recommend. I'm so sorry. I usually just listen to music, so that's my next point. Find new music, create a new playlist, add new songs to your playlist. Literally, I just listen to worship music. But if you want me to do a video on that, just comment that down below too. Read a book. I have not done this because I'd be reading my textbook from school. That is important. Read a book that you never finish, or read a book that you read before and want to read again. Read a new book, I don't know. But my recommendations are The Great Gatsby, because that book is good. And so is the movie with Leonardo DiCaprio. That's the first book that popped into my head. Draw or paint. I used to draw so much and paint when I was younger. And I have lost my touch, but I feel like I'm gonna get back into it. Also, If you have an adult coloring book, color just to take your stress away. If you want to paint, follow a Bob Ross painting video. I have not done that one yet. I feel like that looks so hard. I feel like that is not it for me. Do a puzzle. Let me tell you, I have 2 puzzles that are 1,000 pieces each. One is of Beauty and the Beast and one is of Ariel. Guys, my tip is before you even start a 1,000-piece puzzle, count all your pieces. Make sure you have 1,000 pieces, because my Beauty and the Beast one is missing like a couple of pieces, and that's upsetting. But I have not finished it because it's so hard. All of it is like the same color and it's getting me annoyed. Journal. So like you can either journal your dreams daily, because I've been hearing that people have been having weird dreams since they've been in quarantine. Write what you do daily. Poems. I forgot the other. Oh, spoken word. If you know how to do spoken words, or you want to listen to some spoken words, I'll link them down below. But spoken words are so good. Like, I need to go to a spoken word event soon, because those are amazing. Write a future letter to yourself, because during this period you're gonna look back and be like, dang, I went through that. Like, you know, learn something new, like an instrument, origami, a new language. But you can learn anything. Learn new types of hairstyles. Online shop, because that's all we have now is online shopping. Leave reviews on products, what you have bought before, and leave reviews for people, because there's barely reviews on stuff and people be looking at reviews like that. The product, look at old photos, make a memory box, delete pictures and apps off your phone, clean out storage on your laptop or computer, make a Pinterest board, make a vision board, play video games. Play like on the Nintendo Switch. Everybody's been playing Animal Crossing. I haven't been playing that, but Animal Crossing is a thing now. But I found my DS's and DS games, which I can play my DS games. I only played it once throughout this whole thing. And the last thing is list of what you want to do as soon as lockdown is over, because I know everyone has an idea what they want to do after lockdown. So just comment down what the first thing you're gonna do after lockdown is over. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.